Do you have these warning lights on your dashboard? Check your Reluctor ring, also known as your ABS impulse ring. So I'm driving my 1999 C280 with the automatic transmission on a bumpy road. Then I see these warning lights lit up on my dashboard. The next thing you know, I'm experiencing symptoms that included abrupt downshifting, ABS problems, automatic transmission not shifting through all the gears, for instance, it did not want to shift into high gear, throttle surge, and even a complete lack of throttle response. Also important to note, these symptoms were intermittent. At one point, the car would act normal, at another point, the car would not even move. And it was all because of this silly ring. As of this filming, these are selling for around $12 US. Part number is 210-357-0082. Some have linked these warning lights to a bad brake pedal switch or bad wheel speed sensor. As far as I could tell, my brake pedal switch was fine. However, when I connected a scan tool, I did, however, get a wheel speed sensor code. Obviously, upon further inspection, the broken Reluctor ring was giving the faulty signal, hence the wheel speed sensor code. In my case, the driver's side went bad. To get to the ring, I had to pull the axle. Once pulled, there was some expected cleaning that was needed. Once cleaned, I put on my new ring and put the axle back on the car, and it was ready for a test run. When I first started the car, the lights did not immediately go out. I had to first drive a bit for the computer to reset itself. But after about 100 yards, the lights went out and they stayed out. All the symptoms were cured. So check your ring. Hopefully that takes care of it for you. If this video was helpful to you, please do me a favor and give it a like. That way it'll have a better chance of being seen and a better chance of helping someone else. Last but not least, shout out to my cousin Jimmy for his help with the diagnostics. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.